Ka Lympung ïalehkai Senior National Table Tennis Championship kaba Prapolai kelas Sdang haka khatpra trek yong Nongbah Shillong kabala penlong ha Indoor Stadium Jongkasai Center kabadon hanihu. Ya kene Kalimpung balapan yaj daga Meghalaya Table Tennis Association arangkat ka jingkarshan lang ka Sarkar Meghalaya lapli perda da ulampang jong ka yingdorbar thawain ka jalla uba medba lengdo ubalalong kumukongsan ha ka jingdon lang menteri bapej yaki Kamil Ekai uba bantai dor lengdo kum usembut kongsan la don lang ru ha kene ka sngi ka director jong ka tanat ki Kamil Ekai ki nongkit kam jong ka Meghalaya Table Tennis Association nangta working president bat secretary jongka MSOA uba John F Karshiying bat finally pariat bat kumjuru ki referee ki bapanya ya ki jinglekai ha kane Kalimpung kabankut ha ka arpo santerik kidan hadu saus pa atam kinelekai kanthe bat cenrang ki bawan ban simenta na ki jela ki baper ki badan hapo kari India bagantup ya ka jela Meghalaya ki ban ya keniru ya kana mladu kum merkedew hangni baga jing penlong jongka jela ya kane Kalimpung kalongru shibenta ka jing rakhe ya ka jing dap sanpos nam ka jing yo la ka jong ka jela ka bapura.
And President and Secretary of the Table Tennis Association, ladies and gentlemen, but more importantly, the participant who has come from all over India, including player representing of Meghalaya. A very good afternoon to you, all of you. Friends, before I begin my speech, I would like to read out the condolence message on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, which all we know that yesterday one of our players, he passed away on the tragic incident in Riboy district. With profound grief and sorrow, I deeply mourn the sad and sudden demise of late Dina Dayalan Biswa of Tamil Nadu, who met with a tragic road accident at Shangbangla in Riboy district on Sunday, the 17th April 2022 at around 1:30 on his way to Shillong to participate in the 83rd Senior National and Interstate Championship scheduled to be held at Sai Campus Nehu, Shillong, Meghalaya from 18th to 25th April 2022. At such a young age, he was a promising Indian table tennis player, and his passing away is not only a loss to his parents, family members, relatives, and friends, but also a great loss for the sporting fraternity in our country. His contributions to table tennis would always be remembered and cherished. In this moment of grief, I, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, with heavy heart, convey our sincere and heartfelt condolences to the parents and all the family members of the departed soul. I pray that the Almighty grant strength and solace at this moment of grief to bear this irreparable loss. May the departed soul rest in eternal peace.
I would like to raise you to God. It was really a very happiest moment for me to see all the youth participants from all the states in the country who have come a long way from their respective states to be here in Shillong and to participate in this 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship. I wish all of you the very best. And thanks to the media, print and electronic as well, for covering this very important event, where we can spread the message to the rest of the country about this important event which is being held here in Shillong. I'm very delighted and very glad to inaugurate this 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship, which is being organized by the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association in collaboration with the state government through the Sports and Youth Affairs Department. I was shocked to receive a very sad news yesterday in the evening about this very unfortunate and sad incident that took place in Shambhala, about the accident which took place where one of the participants from Tamil Nadu, Mr. Vishwa Dinam, who's just an 18-year-old boy, and who's also a very promising player, and where his car met with an accident with another truck, and where he has to face the untimely death at this very young age. I also would like to take part with others in conveying my deepest condolences to all the family members of Mr. Vishwa, and also my condolences to the entire team from Tamil Nadu. Let me at the outset appreciate the efforts of the State Table Tennis Association for hosting this national level tournament in Shillong. I am told that this is the second national tournament which is being held in Shillong within the northeastern states. And I'm sure that all of you know well about Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, our state, and where we are here in this state, which I'm sure that most of you must be the first time in this place. I am informed that so far the Table Tennis Association has organized two national level, as I have said just now, and they have also organized two international level table tennis also in Shillong by ensuring maximum participation. I believe that it was the success conduct of these past tournaments which prompted the Table Tennis Association of India to entrust the conduct of this tournament with the State Association. I am really proud to see that again the Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs and his department are gearing up the different activities and has really performed to the mark where the all India level different associations has seen that these success stories of different tournaments have really put faith on them to entrust such kind of tournaments. I am glad to learn that around 1939 men and 39 women's teams are going to be participated in this Senior National Table Tennis Championship. with from different places of the country and are taking part in this tournament, which I have been informed that around 450 participants, if I'm not wrong, you are here today to participate along with all your coaches, your managers, your technical people and others who are accompanying the different teams from different states. It is said that the popular indoor game of table tennis is among the fastest game played in the world today. Though it is field and is confined to a table in a room, it has been scientifically proven that playing table tennis enhances players' brain activity faster than other sports. Since it is an indoor game, it can be played during all seasons. At the same time, this game requires tremendous amount of stamina and mental alertness at all times. The swift movement of the body improves the player's ability, makes the body more flexibility. That's why sometimes whenever I attend any kind of youth programs, I envy all of you, because there you are at that kind of age or decades where you are very much in a position where you can take part in any kind of active sports activities. It is a common knowledge that any sports, especially in India, can be promoted only if young people develop a genuine interest in it, and interest would be developed only when the game becomes rewarding in some way or the other.